Hello, my name's Barbara Crowther. I'm the Director of Policy and Public Affairs at the Fairtrade Foundation. Partnership is what Fairtrade is all about, and of course it's what Waitrose and the John Lewis Partnership are also all about. Fairtrade is a partnership between the people who buy products and the people who produce the things that we love to buy. The partnership between Fairtrade and Waitrose goes back over 20 years now. It's included work with banana farmers, sugar farmers, coffee farmers, tea growers, and now of course we're building on that long relationship with this new partnership where we're going to look together at what best practice really does look like in sourcing sustainably and fairly from suppliers and growers across the world.
I guess to start with, if you could just give kind of an overview of what's going on with Waitrose and Fairtrade at the moment.
We are strengthening our relationship together, and I guess from a customer perspective they're going to see, or they can already see, a wide range of Fairtrade products in our stores. So when I say that, I mean our baking sugars, so all of our brown sugars that come from Mauritius. In addition to that, we've got our Belgium chocolate, our Seriously chocolate that is all Fairtrade certified, as well as our tea and our coffee. So from a customer's perspective, you've got a wide range of products to choose from, and also for us, we know that we're investing in our suppliers in a way that is in line with our business constitution and with support from the Fairtrade Foundation, which is able to offer us a wide range of guidance and support in how we do that most effectively.
So it's not, I guess, just product switches that are going on, which is doing a lot of beyond Fairtrade work at the moment.
So the investment that we place through project work in our supply chains is incredibly important to make sure that we're not only just selling Fairtrade products, we're actually going beyond that and supporting our producers to be as efficient, as productive as they can be, to make sure that they're able to produce Fairtrade products long into the future. So one of these projects that we've done has been in Tanzania with our tea producers. We identified a group of producers who lacked strong communication, because obviously as a tea producer you're spread out across a wide countryside. In order to get tea from your farm to the factory requires a lot of logistics, and this project is supporting a radio station which is being run at local level, communicating to our tea producers about what it is they need to do to get the best yield for their tea. As a result of this project, we're starting to see improvements in quality, which means we're able to buy more tea from that country and from that group, which is ultimately what this partnership is all about. It's bringing our consumers and our producers together and making sure that we can produce the best quality fair trade tea possible that our customers can enjoy. We sell a wide range of fair trade coffee. And similarly to our tea project, we identified a group of producers in Brazil who would benefit from the work that Waitrose, working together with Fairtrade, could offer. We've been able to invest in training at local level through our Fairtrade liaison officer and support team. We've also been able to invest in drying beds, which will make sure that the quality of the bean and the amount of return that a producer is able to get for that bean is improved. So it's these kind of projects where we can come together, whether it's in our coffee supply chains or it's in our tea supply chains or even with our banana producers.
So talking about bananas, it's obviously also really exciting that you're communicating to consumers in a more fun and engaging way. And I noticed obviously following Fairtrade's visit with Nick Hewer, you've also got on your website the video too, which is really nice.
Yeah, we were really pleased that Nick Hewer was able to go and visit our producers. We can bring together celebrity ambassadors of this kind of movement to really bring home the message of the value that selling Fairtrade bananas brings to the producers that we work with. It's long been recognised that Waitrose and the Fairtrade Foundation are based upon very similar principles when it comes to how we invest with producers around the world. And we've recently been able to announce a new partnership between Waitrose and the Fairtrade Foundation, which I know both parties are really excited about. Just to kind of, I guess, give some context, Waitrose Foundation was established 10 years ago and is a sort of supply chain collaboration model that brings together Waitrose with its importers, its exporters and its producers to invest in those producer groups. I guess the great thing about partnership is that you're bringing together two different organisations who've got two very different skill sets, and bringing them together means that you can achieve a lot more together. And I wondered, with those two models in mind, where do you see the value and the benefits of bringing these two parties together, and what's that going to mean in country and also with our consumers?
It's really exciting. We're very much at the start of the journey, and to be able to get to work on that together, as we said before, we're seeing a lot of each other, which is great. Fairtrade is obviously all about delivering greater impact and benefit for producers. Within this, kind of the sharing of best practices, being able to deliver that jointly through Fairtrade and Waitrose is really great. It's an example of what we're already doing in coffee together, and the work and going beyond the Fairtrade mark is just a start, and what the partnership is going to unravel, hopefully be even more of these types of things so that we can deliver greater impact for producers and workers.